This laptop has 6 gigs of RAM, a Ryzen 5, and it's 3 years old. No upgrades, no cloud. Watch it spin up a full Linux server inside itself in under a minute. If you've ever tried setting up a virtual machine, you know the pain. VirtualBox installs, network bridges, ISO downloads, config screens. Multipass skips all of that. It's built by Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu, and it's designed for exactly this, spinning up disposable Ubuntu VMs with one command. I run Lubuntu daily on this exact laptop for freelance and dev work, so if this works here, it'll work on basically anything. Installing Multipass on Ubuntu-based systems is one line. Let's launch our first instance. I'm capping it at 1 gig of RAM and 20 gigs of disk, small enough that my 6 gigabyte laptop barely notices it. Here it is, running, with its own IP address, completely isolated from my main system. Now I'm inside the VM itself. Totally separate file system, separate processes, separate everything, but it's living inside the same 6 gigabyte laptop. Let's not leave this as just a demo. I'll install Docker inside the VM. Now I've got an isolated sandbox to test containers, scripts, or configs without touching my actual system. If something breaks in here, I just delete the VM and start fresh. My real laptop never gets touched. If you've been putting off learning virtual machines or Docker because your hardware feels too weak, it's probably not. This laptop is proof. Multipass gets you a real, disposable Linux environment in under a minute with almost zero overhead. If you want the exact commands from this video, I'll drop them in the description. Subscribe if you want more no-budget, no-upgrade home lab and Linux content. That's exactly what this channel is about.